representations about financial challenges and bottlenecks they encounter as they discharge their constitutional duties. The biggest problem in the country today is the high cost of living, over-taxation, increase in fuel prices, and unemployment. It is worth noting that the financial problem the country is facing attempts by the national government to take over some of the functions of the county governments is another major problem. Whereas county governors are trying hard to discharge their duties as prescribed in the 2010 Constitution, the national government is, on the other hand, trying much harder to pull down their legs and suppress them. It is worth noting that devolution is the best thing that ever happened to the people of Kenya in terms of service delivery, hence the need for the strengthening, re-energizing, and well-funding. In the spirit of separation of power and division of functions under the 2010 Constitution, the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition leadership and county governors elected on the coalition parties resolved as follows. 1. That the national government should respect the Constitution and stop meddling in the affairs and functions of county governments. They should desist from the current interference in the mandate of devolved functions such as distribution of fertilizer, construction and opening of markets, health sector, and commissioning of industrial parks. 2. The national government should release funds allocated to county governments in time for the effectiveness and efficiency in service delivery. This will go a long way in averting industrial actions by the workers and end up slowing down delivery of service to the people. 3. That there is need to amend the County Governments Act to have money allocated for the counties released on time to stop the current bureaucratic requirements where governors and officials from counties travel to Nairobi in the name of pushing for approval of their requisitions. 4. Governors should be given a free hand in the management of their affairs and the discharge of duties in their respective counties. The national government's role is to fund them as per the law and not to coerce governors into submission. The two levels of government should complement each other and not one being subordinate to another. And the Constitution states clearly that the two levels of government are distinct. Must